Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here is another video in which we are going to change the windscreen that is on this. So the idea is that we will remove the stock one. You can take a look at it in case if you're wondering what this thing is. So this is nothing but the license plate holder. So this is a frame kind of a thing, and so we will be removing that and we'll be fixing this one. So if I keep them side by side, you can see that this is fairly bigger, and this is the exact replica of what Kawasaki motors they sell by the name of large meter cover, I believe, and they sell it for about $85. And this thing I procured it from Amazon. My friend Yogs was returning from US, so he got it for, and this costed me about $30, including the shipping and taxes. So it's going to be quite a short one. And the hardware we need to remove these bolts is this 4mm Allen key, as you can see it here. So this will go straight in, and we're going to remove this first. I will remove the license plate holder, then I'll remove this entire assembly and then fit back the new visor that we have, the windscreen that we have. So let's go. Move the license plate holder. Now, as I said, we need these 4mm Allen keys to take out the stock windscreen which is there. It's quite a straightforward method, straightforward work, nothing too complicated. So even with the camera on one hand, I can still open it up quite easily. And so this is out. Make sure you do not lose the small washer that it comes with. It has a plastic washer, and the same process on this side as well. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Look at the difference in the size, right? If I keep it on top of this, this one is at least 3.5 inches bigger, I think, longer than the stock one. Now my only worry is that once I fix this, this thing, will I still be able to mount the license plate holder on top of this or not? That's something I think it should fix. This should not be a problem, but yeah, I do not want the license plate holder to be rubbing against this, this curved part that is right here. Otherwise it will get some scratches. In case if it is touching, I will apply some sort of a masking tape or some transparent tape over this part. But then for now, let's see if the fitment is appropriate or not. So this is exactly how it will be placed. Let's line all the holes for inserting the bolts, and let's fix the bottom ones first, the one over here and on this side. Once that is done, then we'll try to fix the license plate holder along with the entire assembly. The bottom two screws are in place already. Now we need to fix this. One quick reminder, in case if you are a clumsy person like me who ends up scratching, so just remember that wear some gloves or something. So I have already scratched the surface, but yeah, just remember that do not scratch this because it's not an expensive thing, and scratching it's not very difficult. Now let's put this license plate holder. It did have two spacers, you can see it in my hand. So the spacers will go behind this bolt and then it will fix here. This is how the entire assembly looks like right now. This is the after, and this is how the previous one was, the stock one was. So in this image you can actually see the difference. That's the before and after. And yeah, I think this should work, because as I said in the beginning, that this one, the new one that I have gotten, it's approximately this much bigger. It will not be as good as the Pug ones that are sold, they're like significantly bigger till here. But so this is the difference, and I hope that this makes some difference when we are riding on highways at like triple digit speeds. Anything beyond 130 kilometers per hour, it gets really difficult to sustain those speeds on this bike without bigger windscreen. So I hope it works, and I hope that this video comes out with some help, and I'll see you guys again. Have a good one. Bye bye.